In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon Prime Video account with your family. We'll use Amazon Household, the official way to share Prime benefits securely so everyone gets access without passing around your password. Amazon Household lets you share Prime Video, free shipping, and select digital content with your family. It keeps things organized so each person can sign in with their own Amazon account while still enjoying your Prime benefits. That means separate watch histories and recommendations and fewer mix-ups on what's been watched. To get started, open your browser, go to Amazon.com, and sign into your Amazon account. Once you're in, move your mouse over Account and Lists at the top right and select Amazon Household. This is the central hub where you'll add the people you want to share with and manage your settings. On the Household page, choose whether to add an adult, a teen, or a child. Adults get their own full Amazon accounts and can share Prime benefits. Teens have their own logins with approval options for orders. Children are managed profiles designed for safer, kid-friendly access. Pick the one that matches who you're sharing with. Enter your family member's email address and send the invitation. Let them know to check their inbox, and if they don't see it, to look in their spam or promotions folder. The invite includes a link they'll need to click to accept. If they don't already have an Amazon account, they can create one as they accept the invite. Once they accept and sign in with their own Amazon login, they'll be able to stream Prime Video right away using the Prime benefits you've shared. This keeps your account secure while giving them their own sign in and personalized experience. They can use Prime Video on their devices just like you do. There are a few important limits to keep in mind. A household can include up to 2 adults, up to 4 teens, and up to 4 children. Plan your invites accordingly so you stay within those limits. If you reach the adult limit, you'll need to manage your existing household before adding someone new. One key note for adults: when you add another adult to your household, you agree to share payment methods. That means both adults can use each other's eligible payment instruments for purchases on Amazon. If you add teens, you can set approval requirements for their orders, giving you more control. And that's it. With Amazon Household, you're sharing Prime Video the right way, securely, conveniently, and without sharing passwords.